Okay, MCQ type questions. First question, and you have to answer within 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Question number 1. The force of friction is always, the force of friction is always option A. 1 minute, student, you have to answer. You have to answer next. The video will be uploaded. That time you can, later you can copy from it. If you now going to copy, then it will be time taking. Okay, first, with option, you have to mention in the chat box option as well as the answer. Option as well as the answer. The force of friction always, the force of friction always opposes motion, helps the motion, both of these, none of this. Which one is the correct answer? Again I am telling you, the force of friction always opposes or oppose the motion, helps the motion, both of these, and none of above. Which one is the correct answer? $20 left. Answer it. Yes. So, correct answer is the force of friction oppose the motion. Force of friction is oppose the motion. Okay. Next question. Next question. What Ornoy and Upasana are typing? Type it quickly. Upasana, time is already over. Within 40 seconds you have to answer. Within 40 seconds you have to answer. Okay. Next. Next question, listen it carefully. Nishat, stop typing. Nishat and Upasana, stop typing. Okay. Next question. Friction is due to option 1. Option 1, polishing of surface, streamlining of body, interlocking of irregularities, and none of above. Again I am telling the question. Friction is due to option A, polishing the surface, option B, streaming of body, option C, interlocking of irregularities, and option D, none of these. Quickly, one answer already I got. Option F. What did you get? Option F. Munsi, you have to mention the answer also, not only options. Not only options. Those who are mentioning options, that like Priyosi, Ornoy, Jasmine, option plus answer. Not only option. Interlocking of irregularities. That is option C. That is option C. 3 people are typing still now. Okay. Now, okay. Whenever surface in contact tend to move, whenever surface in contact tend to move or move with respect to each other, the force of frictions come into play. Again I am repeating the question. Whenever surface in contact tend to move or move with respect to each other, the force of frictions comes into play. Option A, only if the object are solid. Option B, only if one of the two object is liquid. Option C, only if one of the two object is gaseous. And option D, irrespective whether the object are solids, liquids, or gas. Again I am repeating the question. Whenever the surface in contact tend to move and or move to with respect to each other, the force of friction comes into play only if the object is solid, only if one of the two object is liquid, only if one of the two object is gaseous, and option D, irrespective when the object are solids, liquids and gas. Or not? You are confirm with your answer or not? Just check it. No, sir. Okay. So time is already over. So correct option is, it is irrespective of whether the object are solid, liquid or gas. Okay, it is irrespective of whether the object are solid, liquid and gas. Got it everyone? Only those who have answered this answer, that irrespective of solid, liquid and or gas, their answers are correct and remaining answers are wrong. Okay. Okay. Next question. Yes. Fluids have also dragged. Yes, that's why there is a fluid friction. Fluid friction is also is a part of frictions. Okay. Next. Okay. And on getting some little bit confusion. That's why he is asking. No, sir, I am not confirmed. Okay. Okay, students. Next question. Next question. It is difficult to walk on a wall polished floor because friction between our feet and floor. Option A increased, option B reduced, option C same, and option D none of these. Again, I am telling the question, dictating the question. It is difficult to walk on a wall polished floor because the friction between feet and the floor increase, reduce, option C same, and option D none of these. Reduced and none of these. Yes, as okay. Correct answer. Correct answer. That is question number 4. So it is difficult to walk on a floor of polished floor because of friction between feet and iron. The friction is reduced. Friction is reduced. Okay. Next question. To sharpen the blade of knife by rubbing against surface, which of the following will be most suitable? Listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. To sharpen the blade, to sharpen the blade of a knife, rubbing it against a surface, which of the following will be most suitable? Which of the following is most suitable? Okay. Again, I am yes. I am repeating the question. To sharpen the blade of a knife by rubbing it against a surface, which of the following will be a most suitable? Which of the following be a most suitable? That is stone. Sorry. Option B plastic block, option C wooden block, and option D glass block. stone. Okay, anyone answer? Okay, stone is the correct answer. All of you have written stone. Okay, it is correct answer. Now tell me the reason why. Tell me the reason why stone is the suitable matter. Why stone is the suitable matter? Write it down in the chat box quickly. Why stone is the suitable matter? Hello? Okay. Stone more friction, knife more sharpen. Onna has answer. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else who will answer? A stone, yes, the stone has surface has large number of irregularities. So correct answer is stone will be more suitable. It will exert greater reaction and hence greater reaction force in comparison to other force. It will it exerts a great reaction to the other body. That's why the other body means here is knife. That's why that for the knife sharpen stone is very much necessary. Okay, that is question number 5. And student, last question of today's class. Fine powder is, listen it carefully. Fine powder, oh sorry, one two questions are skip. A toy car released with some initial speed will travel fast. A toy car released with the same initial speed will the travel farthest on option A muddy surface, option B polished marble surface, option C cement surface, option D block surface. So to sharpen the blade of knife by rubbing it against okay sorry that a car released with a toy car with the released with the same initial speed okay will travel farthest on option A muddy water, option B polished marble surface, option C cement surface and option D block surface. Which one is the correct answer? Cement. Okay, any polished surface? Polished surface there is only one. Cement. No, cement is not the correct answer. Okay. Yes, this class will be uploaded. correct answer is that initial speed will travel farthest on, initial speed will travel farthest on. That correct answer is polished marble surface. Polished marble surface, you know that marble surface is very much smooth, friction is less there, that's why it will go farthest on the marble surface. Okay, it is clear or not? It is clear. It is clear. Okay. So student, it means okay, some question name will go or not. Your question that